Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. Today I want to presenting my business plan, which is Satay Frozen Ruby by Aina Enterprise. My name is Nurul Aina Syazwana binti Rozali. My metric number is A19A0702. For the table of contents, we have 5 elements, which is business profile, management, operation, marketing, and lastly financials. For business profile, which is business overview, Aina Enterprise was incorporated in Terengganu in 19 January 2021. My product is Satay Frozen Ruby, and it is a sole proprietorship company that started on 19 January 2021. This business started by registering under the Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM. Our raw material had been supplied by our trusted partnership from Kuala Terengganu. The raw material was chicken, since the main ingredient to make the satay was chicken. They supply fresh chicken with an affordable price since we purchase it in a big amount. Other material we can get it at the market since the price for the raw material has been controlled in the market. The company has 7 employees, which is 1 employee, 1 supervisor, 1 chief marketing manager, 1 financial manager, 1 operating manager, and 2 operational workers. We know that frozen food is a rapidly expanding market, according to food industry executive. This news made a business plan more necessary than ever to make sure the market is available for our frozen food item. As sample opportunity abound, I plan to sell frozen food locally and transport it to the grocery store across the country. A business plan also helps in order to determine how much money is needed to build the business until it becomes profitable. This business plan has enabled our company to clearly see what business the company is in and where it is headed. In doing so, the company has pinpointed some significant new product and market opportunity which could increase sales quite substantially. The company no longer sees itself as simply in the business of supplying satay frozen. It now sees itself in the business of make people can have their food in easy way instead of spending much time to make it. We know that to prepare satay need much time. So, by defining the business in this way, the company has identified possible new downstream products such as make variation types of satay. It sees new product opportunities such as meat satay, rabbit satay, and goat satay would fit well with its existing customer base. Instead of just supplying chicken satay, Aina Enterprise will look to supply its customer with a full range of good products for our beloved customer. Company profile. For company profile, the name is Aina Enterprise. The address is nombor 64 Kampung Durian Kasim 21820 Ajil, Terengganu. The telephone number is 010-762-22176. The email is trendaina@gmail.com. The number company registration is Company Commission of Malaysia, SSM. The year of registration is 2020. The company's status was Bumi Putra. Form of business is sole proprietorship. Industry type was food and beverage. The vision is be a leader in the frozen food industry on the East Coast. For the mission, we committed to achieve the production of 10,000 fresh satay per day. Since now we just can purchase for 5,000, and for future we want to achieve 10,000 per day. For unit feeder, Trend Aina Enterprise are generally considered to be the best quality company that produce the quality satay in the marketplace, because we have produced high quality satay to customer by using our secret recipe that free from MSG. Trend Aina Enterprise has achieved an excellent reputation as a high quality supplier of frozen food. This unique feature of my business product is easy to cook anytime. Since our product is satay and frozen food, the customer can purchase it and keep it in their fridge and can cook it anytime, since it long lasting and have the expired date. Next, it does not require much time to cook. We have done an experiment on our product, and the time needed for the product to ready for it was 10 minutes. The customer can grill the satay using their stove only. They don't have to use traditional way. For the management, we have me as a owner, supervisor, marketer, operating manager, and operational worker. Their function and responsibility for the owner is oversee, control, and manage the company's operation and finance from all aspects, and then control the production in and out of raw material. Ensure that the product manufacturing process is in accordance with established procedure. Lastly, act as a supply carrier if necessary. Since this business I have done it by myself before, so I have to handle all. For the supervisor, the first thing is to setting goals for performance and deadline in ways that comply with company plans and vision. Second, organizing workflow and ensuring that employees understand their duties or delegated tasks. Lastly, monitoring employee productivity and providing constructive feedback and coaching. For marketer, they have to formulate promotional program that will be carried out in the target area, and then conduct market surveys and obtain consumer feedback on product quality. Lastly, establish and design a system where customers and companies can establish a lasting relationship. For operating managers, the first thing is to provide inspired leadership for the organization, and then make important policy, planning, and strategy decision. Develop, implement, and review operational policies and procedure. Lastly, help promote a company culture that encourages top performance and high morale. For operational worker, it has to work closely with the operation manager to oversee daily business operation, and then responsible for enforcing company policy and procedure within the office. Thirdly, proactively recommend improvement to increase sales performance. Lastly, liaise with different departments to improve performance and work efficiency. For operational plan, it was the work process flow chart. The first thing first is to prepare the ingredient to marinate the satay, and then produce the satay. After that, check the product that have been produced by taste the product, and then when the satay already good, we have to packaging. After settle the packaging, it is ready to deliver to the supermarket. The supermarket we have delivered our product is Sabasun and the grocery shop. For operating plan, we have toilet for our worker and then the office for our management worker. After that, place for preparing our product which is satay. And then room to keep raw material and stock. After that, we also have refrigeration and packaging chamber section in order to keep our product. For the fixed asset and equipment owned, Trend Aina Enterprise already have some equipment in order to produce our product. It is important to have equipment in order to make our job easier. The fixed asset and our equipment was machine, chillers, telephone, vehicle, and the amount of our product was 154,000. For the salaries and remuneration, Trend Aina Enterprise business always ensure that good relation between employees can be maintained by providing suitable salary package. Staff salary for supervisor was 1,600, for marketer 1,500, for operating manager also same with the marketer. For our operational worker was 1,300. This salary was excluding with the SOCSO and KWSP. After at the SOCSO and KWSP, their salary will increase. For example, for the supervisor, when we add the SOCSO and KWSP, the salary will turn out to be 1,800. For the marketer, 1,600. For operating manager, also same with the marketer. And for the operational worker will be 1,500. This salary is suitable due to our lifestyle right now. I have looked through to give the best salary for our worker. For the marketing plans and profit forecast, although sales have increased by 10% a year over the last 2 years, the company has not taken full advantage of the market opportunity which have appeared. The company will over the next period adapt its product and selling effort to growing new market whilst maintaining the market leadership in existing market. For my company, last year our sale was 100,000. This year 150,000, and for the expected year which is 2023, we expect our sale will come up with 200,000. For 224, we expect to be 250,000, and 225 we expect to be 300,000. Our net profit for this year was 75,000, and for the expected year was 1,044,000. This been expected because we have made a graph to see what will be achieved. Proof that Trend Aina Enterprise will achieve this level of sale is because Trend Aina Enterprise has increased sale by 10% over the last 2 years and is geared for growth. Secondly, the company has an excellent reputation and good customer base which can be relied upon top place future order. Although the market leader, the company has never target housewife and people who love cooking segment. These markets are increasing at a substantial growth rate. A competitive analysis of Trend Aina Enterprise has shown that the company has substantial product benefit over the competition. It is estimated that Trend Aina Enterprise can become a major player in this segment. It is because the company start running promotion to this segment commencing in the first quarter of this year. The company also will be placing more emphasis on markets that are in the growth and maturity stage of the product life cycle and less on those that are in decline. 30% of the current sales forecast has already been achieved with advance orders. This is 11% up on last year's figures. Last year, the company could not supply product on time due to the circumstances. This production limitation will be resolved by installation of new machinery, which will increase the quantity and the quality of our product. We also have the detail of our competitive profile in order to create an awareness of our competitor. By looking at the price strategy, which is the retail price, our price is affordable since we make a small quantity of the satay to make sure everyone can buy it. We did not supply in a big amount with a high price. It is because we want all people can buy our product. For the product strategy, we have great brand awareness and it was excellent rather than to other company which is medium. The product lasting also long, which is our product can long last for 1 month rather than other company. Our advertising appeal was murah meriah super lazat. For the marketing plans, we have looked through to market it via blogging, email marketing, social media marketing, listing the business in online directory and website, and lastly, join festive and seasonal offer. Right now, there are many festivals that have been held in order to encourage the business to sell their product. When we taking part in this festive, we can sell our product and gain more customers. For the marketing strategy also, Trend Aina Enterprise will better position and target product to grow market over the next planning period. The company will strengthen the sales performance in various sales territories through the use of defined strategies which are detailed in the marketing plan. Over the next year, the company also will upgrade the plan by purchasing a new equipment like a big chiller, in order to put our product. It will remove the current major equipment that no longer can affect the production of our product. Over the next period also, Trend Aina Enterprise will employ 3 full-time staff and 2 part-time staff. The company will concentrate on developing overall policy and procedure in all areas. A training need analysis will be conducted. To make sure our marketing will be going well, the company is requesting a loan in 100,000 to purchase a new equipment. The improved profitability generated by the improved efficiency of the equipment will see in a 2-year return on investment for the investment. To obtain SME loans at reasonable interest rate for government scheme, under the government scheme, small and medium business can ensure short-term and long-term loan with lower interest rates from bank. We also plan to focus on shareholder strategy, which is looking forward to find new shareholder, which is outsider, because right now the shareholder was my family. I will implement a series of action so that there will be minimum stress on the business when this succession is affected. When we make a partnership with the outsider, their marketing will be different, since they also have connection with their people, so that our marketing will be expand. For the financial part, for the cash flow statement, Trend Aina Enterprise for the fiscal year ended on 31 December 2021, from the net earning we can see that our company able to make 70,000, and the cash flow for year ended on 31 December 2021 was 88,000. For the income statement for year ended 31 December 2021, the net sale was 70,000 and our cost of sale was 25,000. After we calculate it, we get our gross profit, which is 45,000. After include the tax, the net income come up with 8,000. For Trend Aina Enterprise balance sheet, our fixed assets have been mentioned. It was machine, chillers, telephone, and vehicle. The amount of our asset, including the current asset, which is stock, account receivable, and our bank account, the total was 179,100,000. For the equity and liability, it was balanced. The amount was the same. So our balance sheet is balanced. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.